Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be doing a comparison video of HappyMod's vs IOSGods cheat engine comparison. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so the first factor is platform availability. IOSGods primarily focuses on iOS users, providing tools and resources specifically designed for iOS devices. It offers a wide range of mods tailored for iPhones and iPads. HappyMod, although it has a strong emphasis on Android, it also supports iOS to some extent. However, its main user base is on Android devices. The second factor is content variety. IOSGods features a large collection of modified games and applications. Users can find numerous cheats for popular iOS titles, including exclusive mods not available elsewhere. HappyMod offers a vast library of mods for various games and applications. Particularly for Android, the platform is known for its extensive user-generated content and frequent updates. If we talk about user interface, IOSGods user interface is user-friendly with a clean layout that makes it easy to navigate. Users can quickly search for specific games or browse through categories. HappyMod also boasts an intuitive interface, but it may feel cluttered due to the sheer volume of content. Users can filter by categories. The fourth factor is community and support. IOSGods has a strong community presence with forums and discussion boards where users can share experiences, tips, and support. The community is active, which helps in troubleshooting and finding new mods. HappyMod offers a community-driven approach as well, allowing users to upload their own mods. However, the level of support may vary as it relies heavily on user contributions. The fifth factor is safety and reliability. IOSGods generally considered safe, but users should still exercise caution and ensure they download mods from trusted sources within the platform. Regular updates help maintain security. HappyMod, while it provides a wide range of options, some users have reported issues with malware and certain mods. It's crucial to read reviews and check ratings before downloading. In conclusion, both IOSGods and HappyMod offer unique advantages depending on your device and needs. If you are an iOS user seeking a dedicated platform with a strong community, IOSGods may be the better choice. Conversely, if you are looking for a broader range of mods and you primarily use Android, HappyMod could be more suitable. Always prioritize safety and do thorough research before downloading any mods from these platforms. So yeah guys, that's about it. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then please leave a like, and I hope you guys can make a more informed decision after watching this video. So yeah guys, with that all being said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.